with Cloud Packers. I just called the guy Shubham, and within 2 days he came to my house. He made the quotation, gave me a good price, good discount, and within 2 days he sent the guys to my place. Very professional, very punctual. More important, very convenient, and in spite of everything, I had a very good time. Although it was a bit time consuming, but yes, that's how the process is, because I had to shift one full house. It had to go to 2 locations. From Anandapur, I had to go to Kolkata and to Tollygunge. So there were 2 locations, so that's why the time, but totally justified. Overall, a very good experience. The guys are very professional, very nice, good behavior. We had a fantastic time with them, working with them. That's it. Thank you.